Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, we're back with The Basement Doctor, John Clements. This is like a gift that keeps on giving. And it is not even Christmas time.
That's right. Well, Christmas trees are all around us down here, yes.
You know, this is a 100-year-old home. And so when you really think about it, not only was the internet invented and cell phones and Facebook,
right.
But this house has settled, and we've had years where we've had drought and years where we've had flooding.
It originally had a coal-burning furnace.
So what we're seeing here really isn't all that bad.
It's not. It looks very alarming. When you can take your hand and literally stick it in the crack in the wall.
Right.
Okay? What this is an old clay ceramic tile. We don't use this type of building material anymore because it's very weak. Okay? It's like the clay pot that you have for planting out in the garden.
Right.
So the crack actually isn't that big. That's just a little bit of breakage that's happened over time. As you can see, the crack closes up. It's very tiny. And it's got the settlement and pulling and shifting of the wall. It's something to definitely be concerned about, something that you watch, something you don't want to get too big. But I don't see the alarming nature where it's moving to the point where we have to do a huge structural repair or a rebuild or anything in that situation.
Right. Now,
but I did want to show it and point it out that it's behind it.
And I know you can fix this.
Yes.
Because that's how you and I met.
That's right.
A few years ago.
Doing helical piering and lifting houses that were settling.
Right, right. And you will restore it better than it probably was before. A little bit safer.
Actually, a lot more secure, yes.
Okay, great. Well, we have a lot in store for our viewers. We're really excited to unveil the finished product in the weeks to come.
Couple more weeks, yes.
I know, I'm very excited. Thanks, John. Great information.
No problem.
Thanks for being here, everyone, and we will see you next time.